Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this super cute pumpkin pie. We're going to start with the pan of the pie, make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch all the way around. For round 3, do 1 single crochet and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 4, do 2 single crochets and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 5, do 3 single crochets and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 6, work in the back loops only, increase, then single crochet in the next 9 stitches, and repeat that all the way around. For round 7, single crochet all the way around and increase in the last stitch. For round 8, single crochet all the way around and increase in the last stitch. For round 9, single crochet all the way around and increase in the last stitch, and then fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Next we'll be working on the top of the pie. Make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch all the way around. For round 3, do 1 single crochet and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 4, do 2 single crochets and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 5, do 3 single crochets and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 6, do 4 single crochets and an increase, and on the last stitch, change to beige yarn. For round 7, we'll be working in the front loops only of each stitch. Single crochet all the way around. For round 8, do 6 half double crochets in the next stitch. Then slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. And repeat that all the way around. Finish off and sew in the tail. Now we'll work on the whipped cream. Leave a long tail at the beginning, then chain 7. Increase in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in the next 3 chains. And then decrease. Chain 1 and turn. In the back loops only, decrease. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then increase in the last stitch. For row 3, chain 1 and turn. Increase in the first stitch. Single crochet 3 and decrease. All rows are worked in the back loops only. For rows 4 to 9, repeat rows 2 and 3. So row 4 will be the same as row 2, which is chain 1, turn, decrease, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then increase. Row 5 will be the same as row 3, chain 1 and turn, increase, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then decrease. Repeat that from rows 4 to 9. Your last row, row 9, should be the same as row 3, chain 1, turn, increase, single crochet 3, then decrease. For row 10, chain 1 and turn. Line up row 1 and 10, it will be diagonal. Then slip stitch the rows together to form a tube. Fasten off and leave a long tail. Weave the tail of yarn through the ends at the top and pull tight to close. Then insert your hook into one of the stitches along the top. Grab that tail of yarn that we used to close up the top and pull it through. Chain 3. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. single crochet in the next stitch, then slip stitch back into where you started. Now you can finish off and weave in this end, then lightly stuff your whipped cream and close up the bottom like you did with the top. Use the leftover yarn to sew it to the top of your pumpkin pie. Using the yarn from the pan, you're going to stitch the top of the pumpkin pie on by using the back loops of round 7. Before you fully close up the pumpkin, stuff it, then finish sewing and sew in the tail. Finally, sew the whipped cream to the top of the pumpkin and you'll be finished. And there you have your cute little pumpkin pie. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!